Hello guys, and welcome to Python tutorial of a cheese chase adventure. In here the score is 0, I have 3 lives, and that is the timer. Here is the player, and that's the chase. The cheese that's meant to be chased. And right here, those are the enemies. So let's start by collecting this cheese, and automatically one appears. I already have 10. I have 30 minutes seconds left. Let's collect more cheese. There's possibility you can always run out of time, and if you mistakenly get collided with the enemy, check out what happened. You lose a point, and now the time is going. So what will happen is the system will officially run me out once I get up to 0. That's what happened. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to take you guys straight into a Python development environment, and we will put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. We will first of all start by importing the following. So make sure you import Pygame. If you don't have Pygame, you're going to have to install that. Then the next one is I'm going to import random. So that's random function, and it's going to follow by, let's grab hold of the time myself. And I am now going to initialize my Pygame dot initialize. There we go. Next, I'm going to have to define my screen. So let's say the width is going to be about, I'm going to make that maybe about 800, and height to be about maybe 600, something like that. Okay, let's go for that, and that will be 800 by 600. Next, it's going to be the screen. So that will be displayed. So let's say screen, and that's going to be equals Pygame dot display, and let's say dot set underscore mode, and the mode is going to be the width and the height. This one, so you can grab hold of that, dump it right here. There we go. All right. Next, I will now display the caption. So let's say Pygame set caption. So let's grab hold of all of these, paste it right underneath here, asking it to set caption. And the caption, I'll just call that cheese chips adventure. Right. Now off. Now off. Next, let's define our color. I'm going to have white, black, red, and green. So let's enter white there. That'll be in uppercase. So let's say white. That's going to be equals. You enter the value of white. That would be 255, comma 255. 255, 255. There we go. Next is going to be the black. The black is just all 0. That's going to be equals 0, comma 0, comma 0. Next is going to be the red. And that is going to be 200, comma 0, comma 0. Next, I'm going to take care of green. And that is going to be 0, comma 200, comma 0. There we go. Done. Now, Let's take care of my clock. So let's say clock, and that is going to be Pygame again. Pygame dot time dot clock, and I now have to enter frequency. That should be FTP. Let's make that. I'm gonna make that 60. Right. Now let's define the color. The font, not the color. The font is going to be equals Pygame dot font dot set fonts. That should be okay. And let's say this is going to be none, comma, and that's going to be about 36. Yeah, that'll do. Then I also need to set, let's say, big font. I'll call that big font. I can just copy all of these. Big underscore font. I'll make that about 60. There we go. Now, I also need to declare some variables. Right here are the variables. Okay, next we need to now create my cheese. I'm going to call that cheese. And that is going to be equals Pygame. Make that rectangle dot and enter a bracket here and close the bracket as well. Come down here. Then I'm going to say, let's get it. Let's say random, because it's going to be displayed randomly. Random dot rand int, and it's going to be landing wherever. Let's say width. So minus 40. Okay, so I'm going to define another one for the height. I think 40 might be too much. Let's make it say it random 30 and one more for the height. And this is going to be for the height. That's here. There we go. So it's a comma here, comma, and comma. I will then say 40, comma 40. All right. Okay, then. Now it's 30, 30. I shouldn't know why I keep saying 40. That's 30 by 30. Okay, then. So that's looking good now. Before I go any further, let me just save this. Save as. So I'm going to call that Pygame underscore Miri and cheese. There we go. Save that. Next, I'm going to create my hazard. I will just call that. Let's call it. And there's that. Let's say equals. It's going to be in an array. So let's say for underscore in range. And I'm going to make that 63 column. And then say cart will be equals Pygame dot rectangle as well. I will then define the say random I want it to be I'm going to change this to 40 by 40 here. Let's paste that in here. Just change this, all of this to 40 by 40. So that'll be 40, and 40 here, right? So there we go. All right, that takes care of that. Then we then need to get this rat. This rat is actually the as that or the obstacle that I have is a rat dot append. Append parts. So say parts dot append parts. And what about the speed? Part speed. Let's go for about 3. Say part dot speed. And I'm gonna make that, let's say 3. Nice one. Okay, next I'm gonna have to set the game, the state of the game right now. So let's come down here and just say game underscore running. That is going to be equals true. So let's start keep running. Then game over. That will be false. Game underscore over equals false. There we go. Okay, and right up here, that is the player size, the size of the player, and the position at start point. The speed is going to be 5. Okay, make sure you add that. All right. So that's for the cheese, and that is for the obstacle. The speed of the obstacle. And the game starts. And when it becomes over. Okay, now guys, we just need to create the game loop. There we go. That's for the clock. Just have to speed that up. That's for the events. And that's for the movement. Part movement. Part that's supposed to be the hazard. And that is for the cheese. Parts pollution. There. So have a good look at it. And because I'm calling the end of this project now. There. But before then, let me take you guys up so that you see. I think I kind of like left out the K in there and I've corrected that. So if you could look at it, bring it down. If you need the code, just let me know and I'll send it to you. There. I will also include a link for the code on the description area. So you all have a nice day now. And then let's save and run. Run. There we go. Grab hold of the cheese and still have more cheese here to collect. It's more here. I have 50 seconds now. So I want to do everything I can to avoid the obstacles. More cheese. Now collecting this very one will be very tricky. Well, let's collect it and you see what's going to happen. There we go. You see, I've just lost some time. There's some valuable time. So with that, guys, I'm calling the end of this brilliant tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. So have a nice day now, and bye for now.